Gusto mo bang tumira sa isang elegant at quality home? Ito ang State Model House. As you can see, modern and stylish ang design. Ito ang spacious living area, perfect for family bonding and relaxation. Dito sa dining area, kasya ang 6-seaters dining table, kaya perfect for family meals and gatherings. This sliding door leads to your future extension. Pwede mo itong gawing lanay area or extension kapag may gatherings and party. At dito naman sa likuran, itong space na to, pwede mo pang maging dirty kitchen and laundry area. So check naman natin yung kitchen area. Ito ang kitchen area. Pwede ka maglagay ng cabinet and drawer para ma-maximize mo yung space. So, on this side naman is ang ating first toilet and bath. Ayan, fully tiled na rin. Nandito tayo ngayon sa second floor. So, meron ditong 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. So, check natin. Dito sa first room, pwede mo siyang gawing study area. Ayan, as you can see po, meron tayong dalawang window para po sa natural air and natural light. So, check naman natin yung second bedroom. Ating second bedroom. Pwede ka dito maglagay ng loft bed para maiba naman yung design. Para sa baba, ma-maximize mo yung space, study area din, and meron tayo ditong window. So, check naman natin yung master bedroom or third bedroom. Ito ang ating third bedroom. As you can see, mas malawak siya. Ito yung mas malaking size ng bedroom dito. At kagandahan pa sa bawat rooms natin, meron tayong mga aircon hole. Ayan, para hindi na tayo mahirapang maglagay ng aircon kapag gusto nyong magpa-lagay. Check naman natin yung bathroom dito sa taas. So, ito yung ating bathroom. As you can see, meron tayong lavatory, then toilet, at shower area. So, mapapansin nyo rin na fully tiled na rin yung ating toilet and bath para mas madaling ma-maintain yung ating bathroom. Di ba ang ganda? For as low as 24,000 monthly amortization, you can enjoy living in the premier community of San TV.